Hi everyone. Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a screenshot your wallpaper. It's a quick and easy way to personalize your desktop with your favorite images. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. First, take a screenshot of the area you want to use as your wallpaper. To do this, go to the screen or application you want to capture, then press Shift Windows S on your keyboard. This will open the snipping tool. Now, click and drag a box around the area you want to capture. Once you release the mouse, the screenshot will be copied to your clipboard. Step 2. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where you saved your screenshot. Right-click on the image file, and from the context menu, select Set as Desktop Background. That's it. Your screenshot will now be set as your wallpaper. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.